So we're now going to have a keynote on innovative solutions for the wireless world. This is coming from Platinum sponsors and channel partners Wincom. And magically joining me, I'm sure, any second now, from Eastern Ohio, will be Igor Korochkin, whose colleague is also going to take part in this. Hi, Igor.
Hello, Brian. How are you?
I was just starting to tentatively worry whether you were going to appear there. Your thing was brilliant.
We're here.
Excellent. Okay, well, look, we're looking forward to this session. I know you've got a colleague joining you part way through, so I'll leave you to introduce him fully. The stage is yours.
Appreciate it. So we'll talk a little bit about Wincom technologies and services we are able to provide to the community. Start this slide 1 second. So a little bit about Wincom in general. As a company, Wincom started in 1996 from the Northern Ohio, and right now we're one of the largest broadband distributors globally. I think one of the key points that we're going to be kind of carrying this through the presentation is our extensive telecommunication consulting and engineering services. We believe this is one of the keys that the partner like Wincom have to bring to the channel. One of the things that has been mentioned before, that the time right now is a lot more challenging. I think the previous session that Sakid was leading kind of show the challenges of the current environment, but also the collapsing on the industries together. I think the proving the point that the engineering services and the knowledge becoming is very, very important. So coming back to this real quick is we have about 250 employees in 15 countries. We have over 30 engineers globally in our company. We have a team that covering EMEA region, and we have a lot of engineers that spread in North America, in South America, and all of them has their unique specialties. That's why we as a team can provide an answer pretty much to any challenge. From the portfolio perspective, the way the Wincom portfolio has been built is based not only on the radio manufacturers, but mostly on a support solutions that we can provide to our customers to complete their projects. And this is where our experience in engineering support can actually lead into the actual product. Again, we can provide engineering services all the way from the complete design to the pre-configuration and to the kitting. Another important point that we focused for a very long time is education. Educating our customers on new products, educating our customers on the new solutions, but also providing certification trainings and educating the end users if needed as well. Currently in the EMEA, you can see, we speak many languages. So we're covering pretty much all the markets from in Europe, in Africa, as well as in the Middle East. We have a couple fulfillment centers, and for Cambium, being a Cambium largest partner globally, I think one of the big benefits as a distributor we provide is an availability of equipment, and saying that we remain very close with our partners, and we always work through the challenges of the supply chain. Specifically, this year has been very, very interesting from the supply perspective, but we're doing our best, working very close with the Cambium team to ensure the supplies throughout all the regions. So this is our team. Again, we speak many languages, and we covering a pretty large territory. From the technology solution, I think this is our engineering expertise commonplace as well. When we look at the portfolio, we want to make sure that we have solutions for our customers across different products. Cambium portfolio is absolutely amazing in covering most of that. Whatever is missing, we're trying to bring in to make sure that we, together with Cambium, can provide a full solution. Again, from the LTE to the Wi-Fi to the distributor antenna system. And the benefits of this, our engineering team, our sales team is trained on all these products. So when you have a conversation as a partner about your end customers, about your challenges, we are able to address it from different angles and offer you different solutions. A big part of that is the supporting solutions as well, or supporting products. We providing vertical infrastructure, antennas, cables. We build custom enclosures. I think this is all a big part of the value add solution that we bring to our partners. And coming a little bit more to the engineering services and the consulting services, one of the things that has been mentioned in a few last sessions, that doing things right is extremely important, and we completely agree with this. Our engineering team train on all the products, and we're certified as a trainer as well, but also they work globally with so many different partners, so many different applications, that they're fully not only trained but experienced with the different solutions. We invested and continue investing a lot into the engineering softwares, into the design softwares, in the different solutions that we can work with our customers and provide truly a full holistic approach to any challenge for any customer. The other big part that we're seeing growing across different markets at the consulting services is we kind of separated that a little bit as a group. Consulting services is when we can have a conversation with our partners about their existing network, provide them audit and analysis, and see how can we utilize their existing equipment that not necessarily needs to be replaced, but may be used in different areas to increase the ROI and to save them some money. Working together with Cambium through the challenging times, through the way that the world is changing right now, specifically in the ISP world, I think looking at that is very important. Optimizing that is very important. So having a Cambium portfolio on one side and our engineering services on the other side can truly provide a full, complete engineering design for any project, from the CCTV, from the Wi-Fi perspective, or anything else. And I think, again, I mentioned that before, with markets collapsing right now a little bit together, when the ISPs need to look at the additional opportunities to become a managed service provider. So the importance of the internet service provider grew dramatically through the pandemic, and I think the quality of their services and importance of that quality becoming very important as well. But it leads in a lot of opportunities where we can work together, utilizing the knowledge, utilizing the experience that we have, working across the globe, working with many customers, and utilizing in Cambium products together to cover abroad all these solutions. So not too much about us as a company. I want to introduce Emre Kızılırmak, who is our senior engineer, regional technical manager for EMEA, and we'll talk about a couple solutions that we want to introduce for our customers from our portfolio. Emre, it's all yours.
Thank you, Igor, and hello everyone. This is Emre Kızılırmak. We are all aware of what the Cambium products are capable of. They are the best in class in the wireless world. Today I want to talk about the complementary solutions we can offer you to ease your day-to-day operations and expand your business. I want to start with Hikvision, that's offering a large portfolio for CCTV applications. With the ongoing pandemic, I will focus on a specific line of products, the thermal imaging cameras and AI-powered analytics. Hikvision's temperature screening solution is designed to detect elevated body temperatures to achieve rapid and safe initial screening in public areas. This flexibility means they are applicable to several different scenarios. If you are an ISP, you can start offering access control as a service immediately over your network to your customers. It's easy to determine the kind of access control method that will fit to your customers' needs with Hikvision's complete set of solutions combined with Cambium products. Talking about solutions, Hikvision is offering a variety of solutions that help to detect risky conditions. With combined power of deep in mind MVR and thermal cameras, you can offer complete enforcement on abnormal temperature detection, no mask detection, and even on violation of social distancing. With the alarms and reports, it becomes quite easy to manage a group of people to avoid risky behaviors. The size of the systems vary to fit your specific needs actually, and there are systems available that can detect up to 30 faces simultaneously with a centralized management and alarm monitoring, and there are Wi-Fi connected handheld cameras for manual access control on the spot. With advanced detectors and algorithms, Hikvision solutions are suitable to deploy for any type of access control application. The next product line I want to talk about is ICT's power distribution products. ICT is offering highly reliable, efficient, and cost-effective DC power solutions. The solutions include intelligent DC power supplies, hot swappable redundant load distribution panels, and fully featured battery chargers. ICT's unique monitoring and managing option helps you to avoid unnecessary site visits and increase your response time to provide higher customer satisfaction. In many cases, a problem can be solved simply by power cycling or, powering down the affected device until a visit to the site is scheduled. And being able to monitor your critical DC loads and to power cycle them remotely can increase your quality of service and lower your operational cost. Intelligent product line creates an effective solution for not only providing reliable power, but also provides monitoring and multiple layers of alarms to ensure continuous uptime and increased SLA performance. The ICT products, you are able to monitor key power parameters and undertake remote actions like power cycling loads or shutting down non-critical loads to reduce battery demand. The distribution series can also be set up to automatically shut down the non-critical equipment at predefined battery levels, and leaving only the critical loads to provide you a prolonged response time. So what if we don't have any power on site at all? And that's where the Telecom products kick in with its comprehensive of-the-grid portfolio. Since telecom sites are a vital part for communication, it is crucial that the sites are operational 24/7. And to ensure that utilizing renewable energy sources become an essential requirement. Telecom is offering a great portfolio of the grid systems, both in component and system level, and they're also offering DC power switches and DC POEs. Telecom is offering solutions with remote Pro series, and they are strong enough to run a site completely on solar power. You can even power a 4-sector tower and a backhaul with a single unit. Even if you lack the experience with solar systems, you can easily choose the right size for your application. Just go to their website and you will see a calculator tool to pinpoint the exact model that you need to power up your site. Telecom is also offering kits with PoE output, so you will not need anything else to do the complete of-the-grid site. Last but not least, I want to talk about NetElastic and their virtual broadband network gateways. These virtual BNGs can help with the subscriber operations on your network. Broadband access is critical in today's connected world, and wireless ISPs have been heroes in building out local networks to bring broadband services to customers in underserved areas. NetElastic Virtual BNG is designed to help wireless ISPs to benefit from modern SDN technology at lower price points. So what are the benefits of a virtual BNG for you? Firstly, increased agility allows rapid changes to the network, and it also reduces the number of physical devices in your network. It enables easy network segmentation, and since it is using commercial off-the-shelf servers, the upgrades are easy and quite cost-effective. It also greatly simplifies disaster recovery and reduces downtime because it can easily be moved and deployed somewhere else. All these features allow you to access the benefits of a BNG on the lowest level of TCO. Today, we see copper media has peaked and fiber and wireless are replacing it rapidly. Even the utilities and municipalities are deploying broadband networks with these technologies. In these networks, we see BNGs replacing the RAS servers, and virtualization is being used to reduce the cost of providing services. Today's biggest challenge for telecom networks is the demand for the video, and from YouTube to personal video posting, consumer video use is driving up internet consumption and pushing ISPs to provide higher speeds. With extensive demand to modernize, carriers have to balance their spending priorities and turn to cost-effective virtualization solutions. The one exception has been the BNG so far, and NetElastic built a virtual BNG with commercial off-the-shelf servers that can deliver the throughput required by the. With this innovative approach, NetElastic Virtual BNG can deliver up to 360 gigabit per second throughput on a single 1RU commercial off-the-shelf server, and it is totally vendor independent. NetElastic Virtual BNG can be deployed for very small subscriber bases, starting from a couple of thousands and all the way up to millions of subscribers. And service providers can avoid large upfront expenses, net as pay-as-you-grow licensing options. Well, thank you very much for listening, and we are back to you now, Igor.
Thank you. Thank you. So just a couple of things. We're kind of running out of time. A couple of things I want to mention is WinCom really a bridge between the vendors and the customers. And there is, the four columns that I would say that we're standing on is our extensive engineering support. We mentioned about this before, and the knowledge. And knowledge is a key to be successful in a lot of things. We also provide financial support, of course. Proud to have one of the largest stocks in the industry in multiple locations, so we can implement projects fast and support the customers fairly fast. And of course, our sales team, and a dedicated engineering team that can help you grow. Cambium has an amazing portfolio of products, and it's continued to grow. And I think if you're utilizing as a partner, if you're utilizing just part of that, and there is a certain restraints that not allowing you to grow into the CCTV market, the managed service provider market, or there is a gap or a time gap on some of the products that you would like to learn more. This is with the WinCom as a partner come in place. Our engineers always available. We will be able to have a conversation about any topic you would like. We'll be happy to train. We'll be happy to educate. We'll be happy to support. And I think this is what the true value of a distribution, the large stock, the financial support, all of that is a native things that distributors could do, but truly providing support, truly providing education opportunities, and helping our partners grow. This is, we believe, what's very important, very, very important. And on that, we'll finish the presentation. And Brian, back to you.
Okay, well, thank you, Igor and Emery. That was a very interesting presentation.